They share with us a once-in-a-lifetime experience taken from their front porch.
Here it comes. We're going to have to get under...
Lord Jesus, protect us.
Granny, you need to get the mattresses out.
Look at that down there. Are you taking that?
Yes, I'm taking it, Granny.
Look back yonder, Grandpa, on that, where that windmill's at.
I'm going to put this, see if they want to take this, Granny, on TV. If we live through it, I'm going to see if they can take this on TV. Okay, it's going to blow the windows out, Granny. Let's go. Get out of the mattress. Well, ain't got no light so I could see the inside of the house. This thing's pretty well tore up.